channel. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady, and today we're seating a veneer case. It's gorgeous. It's a Lumineer case, minimal prep. I can't wait till you guys see it. We're going to show you how we do it. Got our patient here. Hi, patient. We have this all blocked off because we're getting ready to seat the case. I want to go ahead and show you. These are her teeth prepared. That's how minimal we do it. This is preparation, so we barely take enamel off. We do very minimal prep to get the desired result for the Lumineers. I cannot wait till you guys see them. So we're going to go ahead and show you the procedure now as far as seating them with the finished product. The step we do is we paint a gel. This gel is an etchant material, and it is what's going to prepare the veneers with the material to create the bond that we want. Now we're totally all in enamel. That is the strongest bond. You want to make sure that the teeth preparation stays in enamel. That's going to be the strongest bond that you can get. And this is painless, right, patient? Mm-hmm. She's doing great. So we did 10 teeth. Now we're going to rinse it off. So we rinse it off. And you'll see a frosty glaze, which means that the etchant is working. Now we're going to apply a second layer. Now we paint 5 coats. That's right, 5 coats of this material. Now these are Lumineers. The only company and lab that makes Lumineers is Denmat out of California. So they're the only ones that actually make the Lumineer. And it's a special Emax. It's a lithium disilicate material called Emax. And they are incredibly lifelike and incredibly beautiful, as you will see in a minute. 5 coats, we go ahead and air dry. Now I didn't show you 5 coats in the video just because it takes time. And now we're going to apply the bonding agent. So this is the bonding material, which also is the last step in preparing the Lumineers, preparing the teeth for the Lumineers, so we get just a really strong bond. We have everything isolated because we want to keep everything free from saliva, but you can see you're not numb, correct? And you're not feeling a thing, right? Okay, I'm going to blow dry air, blow it dry with air, and then we're going to go ahead and light cure each tooth. So each tooth gets light cured for probably maybe 5 seconds, and we just go to each tooth. That's going to set the material, and then we will go ahead and put the cement in the veneer and start seating the veneers one by one. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this video right now before we go to the next step because this gets very repetitive. So wondering what this blue is. This is a rubber dam material. It's just light cured, and we place it just so the cement, it blocks the cement and makes it easier to clean up. So if you're wondering what the blue is, that's what it is. Okay, so we use the cement, and now the cement is going into the veneer, and then we'll actually place the veneer on the tooth. So we're going to place the veneer on the tooth. This little suction tip is amazing. We're going to go ahead and place it perfectly. So we just seat one by one, make sure that they're perfectly aligned. And here we've got 2 in. We just want to make sure they're in place. And now we'll go to the next one. So now we've got the 4 in, and we'll tack these down and we'll continue. So this completes the right side. Very simple. We'll go back in and clean the cement, and we're going to do the left side now. So we've gone ahead and placed them in, and now we're going to check her bite and clean everything up. But it's that simple. So we're going to go ahead and get them cleaned up for you.